Before going over on how to find articles for your assignment, I wanted to explain to you what the difference is between a scholarly article and a scholarly journal. So scholarly articles are written for a scholarly journal, and a journal is something that gets published maybe 4 times a year. So Dominican subscribes to many journals, thousands and thousands. So it's very hard to browse these journals. The best way to find academic articles is to go to a database. Start off by going to the Dominican website, and the URL is dom.edu/library. Then go to the second tab called Articles and Databases right here in the middle. Now, Academic Search Complete is a multidisciplinary database that lets you search for academic articles, newspapers, and magazines. It covers many subjects, and it should help you find what you're looking for. To use Academic Search Complete, you're going to type in your topic right here in this search box. You can check off full text to find articles right now to download. If you don't check this off, you might have to request an article from the library. This one over here is called peer-reviewed. You can also check this off. Peer-reviewed means that other scholars have approved the articles. Your scholarly article doesn't have to be peer-reviewed. When you're done typing, go ahead and click on Search. If you're off campus, you might have to sign in. Before looking at the results, I wanted to go over some of the filters that Academic Search Complete offers. So over here on the left, you can refine your results. So again, we see this full text option and scholarly peer-reviewed journals. One thing that you must know is that magazines and newspaper articles are not peer-reviewed. So once you click this, you won't be able to see those resources. One important one is the publication date. Remember that your source has to be published within the last 5 years. And if it's older, you have to explain why this source is still relevant for your research. Some of the source types that Academic Search Complete offers are academic journals. So this will give you the academic articles. It has magazines and newspapers. So to find your first source, go ahead and click on Academic Journals. And here in the middle will be your results. The titles will be in blue, and if you see a title that catches your attention, go ahead and click on it. Below you can see an abstract or a summary of the article. So read this part, and if you feel that you might use this for your research, go ahead and download it. To download it, you go back to the top, and on the left, you're going to see a button that says PDF Full Text. So go ahead and click on that. And here in the middle will be your article. Now on the top, you can either save it or print it. I would recommend saving it and saving it to your computer or a folder in your USB, or even emailing it to yourself. On the right hand side is also a really nice button that's called Cite. It's sort of a yellow little page. Go ahead and click on it. And for your annotated bibliography, you need to have an MLA citation. So scroll down to find it. So here it is. You can copy it, but before submitting, make sure that it's correct because you will be graded on this as well. To view the rest of the article, simply go back to your results. You can uncheck academic journals and then click on magazines and newspapers. And here you'll find one of the other sources that you need for your final annotated bibliography. To see the rest of the databases that Dominican has, go back to the main page of the library. And below Academic Search Complete, there's going to be a purple button. that says Browse All Databases. Go ahead and click on that. These databases, there's 193 of them, can be divided by subject. So if you click on All Subjects, you can find a specific discipline that you're researching. So if you are researching about history or Latino studies or criminology, you simply click on the discipline and you'll get all the databases that are related to that. So here are 7 databases that are related to criminology. So it has the title and the description. So if you're interested in one, go ahead and click on it and you'll be taken to the database. If you have any more questions about how to use Academic Search Complete or any of the databases, ask a librarian.